Hey, what's up guys, Madar Good Development. So I'm working on this mudroom project in my house, and one of the things that it calls for is a stackable washer and dryer. And before I did that, my father-in-law actually alerted me to using rollers under the washer and dryer, especially when I'm putting them in a panel, so kind of like a cabinet setting. The idea is if in the future I wanted to do any work to them or service them, I can easily just pull the washer and dryer out. It makes a lot of sense. So in this video, I'm showing you how I'm doing that. Check it out. First thing, of course, you're gonna need is a heavy-duty appliance rollers. Okay, these could be purchased on Amazon or wherever else. This is what they look like. They're adjustable, and you just lock them in with these included screws. Even though the legs are going to be sitting on the corners, it's a good idea to have added support in the middle, and also you have one full unit that you're moving together. For the added support, I have this scrap piece of wood. This is a stair tread that I removed from a property. It's about a little over 1 inch, and here you can go up to like 1.25 inches. So I'll have enough room, and I'm gonna screw it into the sides using the self-drilling washer head screws. One main thing is, of course, you have to measure the distance that you need for your legs. So for example, my washer is 27 inches wide for the legs, and it is 26 inches deep. Now, once this is secured in place, we're going to go ahead and drive a couple of the hex screws in. Once I have this side locked in, I want to measure to make sure that I have the same distance before I screw this one in. So I got 3 3/4, 3 3/4. All finished. This is the end result. So we're gonna go ahead and mount this, or mount the washer on top of this. All right guys, so I have my rollers installed. I basically got some help to lift the washer onto the corners of the roller. And I'm gonna demonstrate how that works. Well, it's really simple. There you go. You can push it in, pull it out with ease, and you can go in the back, do whatever you gotta do. That's it for this one, guys. I have this whole mudroom to work on, so I got a lot of work to catch up on. I hope you guys liked the video, you find it helpful. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I'll see you guys on the next one.